In this lesson, we will explore green and sustainable inventory practices, an increasingly important approach that integrates environmental responsibility with inventory management. As businesses strive to reduce their environmental footprint and operate more ethically, sustainable inventory practices play a vital role in achieving these goals while maintaining efficiency and profitability. Sustainable inventory management focuses on minimizing waste, reducing resource consumption, and ensuring that products and materials are sourced, stored, and distributed in environmentally friendly ways. It aligns business operations with broader sustainability objectives, such as carbon reduction, circular economy principles, and social responsibility. One of the key principles of green inventory management is optimizing stock levels to minimize excess inventory and waste. Overstocking often leads to obsolete products that eventually end up as waste, while understocking can cause inefficiencies and rush orders that increase emissions. Data-driven forecasting and demand planning help strike the right balance, ensuring that resources are used efficiently. Sustainable sourcing is another essential component. Companies are increasingly partnering with suppliers that adhere to ethical labor practices, sustainable material sourcing, and environmentally friendly production processes. Conducting supplier audits and implementing green procurement policies ensure that sustainability values are maintained throughout the supply chain. Packaging also plays a critical role. Businesses are adopting eco-friendly packaging solutions such as recyclable, biodegradable, or reusable materials. Right-sizing packaging not only reduces waste, but also minimizes shipping volume and associated transportation emissions. Transportation efficiency is another major focus area. Optimizing distribution routes, consolidating shipments, and using energy-efficient vehicles can significantly reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions. Some organizations are even transitioning to electric or hybrid delivery fleets to further reduce their environmental impact. Inventory lifecycle management contributes to sustainability by extending the usable life of products and materials. For example, remanufacturing, refurbishing, and recycling programs keep materials in use longer, reducing the need for new production. In industries such as electronics or automotive, companies are implementing closed-loop systems where returned products are reprocessed into new ones. Technology is a powerful enabler of sustainable practices. Digital inventory systems, IoT sensors, and AI-driven analytics allow businesses to monitor energy usage, track carbon emissions, and optimize stock allocation for minimal environmental impact. These systems also support paperless operations and real-time data sharing, reducing administrative waste. Reducing warehouse energy consumption is another green strategy. Modern facilities incorporate solar panels, LED lighting, smart climate control systems, and energy-efficient equipment. These measures lower operational costs while supporting sustainability goals. Measuring and reporting sustainability performance is crucial for transparency and accountability. Companies track metrics such as carbon footprint, waste reduction, and material recycling rates. Sustainability reports, aligned with global frameworks like the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, or the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, communicate progress to stakeholders and customers. Consumer demand for eco-conscious products is also shaping inventory strategies. Retailers are increasingly highlighting sustainable product lines and using data analytics to forecast demand for green products. This shift not only supports environmental goals, but also enhances brand reputation and customer loyalty. In summary, green and sustainable inventory practices combine efficiency, responsibility, and innovation to create a more environmentally conscious supply chain. By optimizing stock levels, sourcing responsibly, adopting eco-friendly technologies, and promoting circular economy principles, businesses can reduce their environmental impact while maintaining competitiveness. Sustainability is no longer a choice. It's a strategic advantage in building resilient and future-ready operations.